person has a nice helmet. Alright, let's see. We could do Embermane and Charog. We got Nazaga. Whatever the fuck that is. Prepare the hunt! Alright, I still look fucking disgusting.
So we gotta smash its skull, break its legs, chop off its tail, and poke open its fucking fire sacks.
And sever its dick.
I don't think it has one.
Well, I'll be the judge of that, alright?
I mean, I'm literally only keeping, like...
I haven't been- holy shit, there's like sparkles in the sand. Check that out. Alright, I'll go this way, you go another way.
Okay, I'll go to the right.
What am I looking for again?
We're looking for a giant turtle.
Turtle, eh? I see a lot of heat waves. I don't think I went anywhere near. Why are you throwing shit?
I don't believe
Like, I know you didn't find anything because you didn't announce it.
Yeah?
Hey, I have a high vantage point. I'll see if I can see it from... Oh, I think I see it! It's like forward to the way I'm facing. That's not even like a turtle. What is that? And you don't waste any time before chucking shit at it. Oh, cool! He spits hot...
Oh, yeah, I forgot. It's got homing shots. It's got homing loogies.
Oh, it's so cute! Oh, God.
Oh, God. Cheat. Homing
Oh, I'm on fire. I need to put that out.
Take out its, freaking fire sack.
This fire sack, I'm taking out the tail.
Ow.
The tail is very important. He's like sniffing right now, like he smells something good. And it's your cooking flesh! Oh shit. Okay, good thing his tail slam has no hitbox. Okay, that does have a hitbox.
Oh no, he's a flamethrower right now. If you don't mind, I need to drink some of this.
He's gonna march his way towards you sooner or later.
No, he's just kind of moving in circles.
I'm gonna try and nip him in the tail. His flamethrowers are not keeping a very consistent spot. They're like, he's burning his own tail off. Sir, can you move your flamethrower from right in front of me, please?
Ah! He's on top of me!
He's crushing you!
I'm gonna chuck it! Come on over here! Oh no, that's lava!
He just rains shit everywhere and you run for your life. Oh my!
That's a lot of fire.
He's got a bullet hell maneuver. You know, I feel legitimately threatened by this man.
Man, it's a turtle.
I don't think this is a turtle in any way, shape, or form.
Ah!
Oh,
I
fuck
don't
me.
care!
I think he's more like a very hot-headed Gila monster.
Ah!
Will you stop falling in lava? Ow!
Okay, I care about okay? You don't ah!
What the fuck's wrong with you? Ow! Oh god, it's coming for me! Oh, he's backing up. He's afraid.
Oh, is he...
Or he's about to shit himself.
What's going on with his shoulder there?
What shoulder?
He's
The
like,
one, the one that's leaking?
yeah, it's leaking.
We punctured his sack, I guess.
Oh, I think I punctured his sack completely there.
I think I fucked his tail off.
Oh, nice. Ow.
Ah.
Maybe over.
I like the glitter sand.
Oh, his face.
Anything left to break on this man?
The legs. I think,
I've been wailing on the legs for a while. I don't even know which ones aren't broken.
I think this whole side's not.
I'm being... There's fucking...
Oh, God.
Oh,
So freaking loogy.
he just had a bunch of those little shits after you there. Ow. I think I used my last potion rather than activating the thing that I thought I activated.
Both of his back legs. Oh, I got his other freaking back.
Yeah. Somehow I'm not getting hurt. Somehow I'm not getting hurt. I'm just going ham. Ah.
I got hurt a bit there.
Just slay the beast.
He's like at this stupid cliff, getting in my way, and he keeps moving, so I can't hit his freaking line.
Let's just lure him out into the open, I guess.
Just stand up and sit down.
He's losing his balance. He's got a concussion. Let's make it worse. He's
He was
he's
spit. I think he was just trying to spit fire out of like his sides again.
go for the flame sack. We need to cut it off.
It's already cut out. I already gouged
More like
it out.
cut open. I'm a racist. I don't believe in Jamaicans.
Okay, then.
Nope, the armor looks like absolute dog food. What is this shit? Hell no to that. I can't even craft it anyway.
Alright.
Oh good, we're gonna get dropped on the fucking ice again.
Yep.
You landed on some very cracked up ice there, man.
Man, these trees are moving a lot.
That is very, not... That's totally a little bit concerning, isn't it? Oh, Jesus, that flew far.
Yeah, it
Hey, let's see if we can spot him from this cliff. Do you see any birds? Well, I see the Frost Striker over there. Do you know where I am? Oh, yeah, you do. Alright, I call first hit!
Hi, what the? I'm glad that did not get.
He just, like, threw shit at you.
There we go.
Where's... Oh, my God! I was...
Okay, he died once. Oh my god.
I thought he, was off my screen for a little too long there. I was wondering why he didn't come back down. Why did you fall? Ah! What the... Okay, that didn't hurt. Ow! That hurt!
Okay, fine.
He just sucker punched me as I was activating my burst mode.
Ow.
I have fire! Burn the bitch! Burn it! Uh-oh. Ow!
Ow. Ah! I'm stuck in ice.
You'll be fine. I've been there.
Uh-oh. Coming for me.
God, I didn't like normal strike. I don't like this one.
Yeah, this one's much worse. He just does not freaking get much of a chance.
He does not chill.
Yeah.
Oh! It's like he batted away both of us. Oh, Jesus Christ, man.
Oh god, help! Help!
He helped you.
I think I got out.
Fucking... it's like fighting a goddamn hurricane!
We're like a blizzard.
A hailstorm. A hail tornado blizzard storm. With glaciers.
In the face.
I'm just gonna aim for whatever I can and hope for... Oh, no, no!
We did not do this.
I just got flung off the cliff here. I'm gonna try to get back to you before you get murdered.
Oh, grenades.
Oh, no, that's not good!
Grenades.
I'm out of grenades. Except for this one. Which missed him completely. Come at me, chicken!
I hit him.
I hit him. We hit him. I specifically heard my sword come into contact with his flesh. I think one of his antlers fell off.
Yeah. Ooh. I staggered.
Oh!
Look up in this tree.
Huh? What tree?
This tree. In front of me.
In front of you?
Look up there.
Oh! That! What the fuck?
Yeah, there's a freaking icicle in the tree.
It's just a clump of snow floating there.
It's one of these icicles right here. One of them went up in the tree.
Oh, that's the bottom of the icicle?
Yeah, that's what it looked like under it. It just went away.
I couldn't see the actual icicle, I just saw the snow. Why is this river green?
It's got some ether in it or
I think he pissed in it.
something. Yeah, green piss.
Come at me, bird! Uh-oh. Uh-oh, no, no! Okay, I guess I'm immune to damage. Oh, I'm not immune to damage at all. Ah! A little help, please. Uh-oh. Ow!
I'm coming. I just don't have stamina. Here, let me pop a potion quick.
I don't have health.
I'm coming.
He is immensely pissed right now. Ah, fucking...
Don't worry, here comes the cavalry.
Fuck this dodging system.
Cavalry.
Can I be allowed to drink from this pond thing, please? I'm gonna drink. You wanna drink with me?
Zach, you might wanna... Oh wait, he's zapped me. I got him.
It's like you bumped him over and he flew. Going for the wing thing. No, that's his ass, actually. I thought it was a wing. Ow! Don't stop! Don't stop! Oh god, no! No! Do stop! Do stop! Run!
Good luck.
Good luck! Oh!
I'm gonna go collect some flowers.
Ah! Help! I can't die! He's throwing shit at me.
Okay, up here.
No! No, I am not okay at all! Come get some!
Oh, nice. Yeah, I'm pretty sure everything.
Damn it,
Anyway. We broke everything.
I thought he was dead for a moment, but it was actually just a damage achievement or something, but then it gave the real death.
Yeah, I like how I freaking start charging its chop, and then as it's freaking in the cutscene where I can't do anything of it ending, I swing my axe and chop at his wing, and it just freaking kind of jiggles a bit.
I just love that part where I see you roll down a hill and you just disappear, and he just goes ham on my ass.
Yeah, I saw him in the rage, bro. I'm like, I'm gone. I'm gonna.
He just like battered me around, froze me, fired shit at me, hit me with a tornado, and then I managed to knock him down when I faced him head on. I think that all that leaves right now is the Nyazaga.
Oh Jesus! I just kind of
Ah!
caught a glimpse of his. I caught a glimpse of his spiky back, and also heard his frickin'. I heard a like gurgling.
Oh, that's where you were. I was like in that tunnel right there, and ow!
Zach! Oh my God! He's fast.
I was like in the little passageway to. I was like in the passageway to your left there, and I like turned the corner and I saw that. Oh God! He's firing things.
Firing electric spikes.
Let's go, Wesley.
He's very fast. He doesn't seem to use his back legs when he's rushing.
Why are you using me as your entertainment?
Oh, Zach! Watch out!
Oh God! Did they fire at me?
Yes, they see. I just saw those orbs like.
Fuck off!
Being slow.
Oh God damn it! On the very back end of it.
Ow! He's body slammed.
I thought he was gonna like Nerdy Gante you, but he didn't.
Caught my axe. You can actually deflect the orb. Oh geez, what is he doing?
I'll just break the actual spikes. Fuck it.
Zach? He seems to be going
yeah, that was oh God!
Oh God!
Holy shit! Oh man, this is a force.
My axe.
This is a force to be reckoned with. Why can't I drink a potion? Damn it!
Zach, I need to get my axe.
I'm trying to drink a potion, but it's refusing to work.
It's because you're shocked. His electric orb makes so you can't items.
I'm just gonna try and I'm just gonna break some of the spikes. Uh-oh. Oh! I'm gonna break the spikes. Oh! Why am I floating? Help!
Okay. A good idea. Yeah, except,
I keep getting stuck on the damn things.
Yeah, he just keeps making more. Also, I've been throwing my axe at him.
Oh God! He just reduces the whole...
He's so tough.
He reduces the whole map to a fucking hellhole.
Oh God. Oh God.
Please. Is this his rage mode, or does he have something else on top of this?
I don't know, man.
Cause it's like, we just started the fight, and then he went
Zach, I can't deflect need you to protect me from the damn orb.
How the hell do I do that? I could try and have them come after me.
Ah! You can freaking hit them to throw them back at him.
Yeah, but it's like most of them are just aimed at you. Ow! I was originally just gonna try to break them all, but it takes too long, and there were so many. Oh, he's back in Super Saiyan mode.
Okay, I'm gonna try and.
Oh God! It's like fucking. You go anywhere close to the man, and it's like fighting hell itself.
This one we need to get rid of because it shoots two.
Oh God. I'm trying, Wesley. I'm trying. I'm trying. Oh God, no!
Oh, my axe! Zach! My axe!
Where's your axe?
I threw it!
Why do you?
I can't boomerang it anymore. I
Why
chose
do
a
you-
different special and it doesn't let me boomerang it. I'll try and freaking do
He's
damage.
jiggling. Uh-oh. Ow.
Okay, this is not helping.
Oh.
I'm gonna try and throw my axe.
That's
That's perfect. Except I lost my axe.
Yeah, and the lightning ball is on your ass. Look out!
Jeez, thank you for the warning. You saved me. Oh wow, my lantern saved. Oh God! Okay, it's a good thing that wasn't a death cliff.
Can you actually die off a cliff? I don't know how to dodge some of these attacks. I swear, it's like I try to press space to dodge some of these attacks, but there is just no dodging some of them.
Okay, got rid of that one. Is there any healing crack left? Yes, there is.
It might be a little bit. Also, he just threw down more spikes.
Well, they're not near me. Oh God.
I think the spikes
Okay,
empower.
there was barely any crack.
I think the spikes are empowering him and giving him his Super Saiyan. Oh God! It was a Super Ball.
Threw my axe at him.
The fuck? If
I throw my axe through his spikes, it does. Oh, he's rage mode now.
They just turned red. Why?
He's actual rage mode now, and he's sending out more of them.
I don't want to experience what his rage mode is like, to be honest. I'm out of potions already.
Experience.
I'm out of potions! I'm out of potions, for God's sake, run! How the fuck am I supposed to get anywhere close to this thing?
Oh, I'm down. Can you get me up at all?
I'll try, but you're sitting on some of those things.
Yeah.
He's about to
coming.
He's gonna shoot me.
He's coming.
Ah!
Thank you. He's just doing donuts. He's just spinning. Come over to this cliff where I'm at, man.
Where's your cliff? Ah!
Hey, Zach. Welcome. Look at him.
He isn't doing anything.
He just kind of roars at us and freaking spins.
Oh
Look at
man,
him.
I really want some of that liquid Italy down there.
Yeah.
Is there another one somewhere nearby I could drink?
No. I threw my axe.
Where are all the fountains?
Where'd my axe go? Oh, there's my axe. How did it get over here? I just threw it.
He's already going ham.
Uh-oh. Oh, no.
Should I try breaking those things?
I'll try and break them.
I'll break.
There's one right on your crack.
No, not the lightning! Not the lightning! Alright, I broke mine.
Alright, got mine in one hit.
What? There's not gonna be enough in that little puddle to heal both of us, man.
Get it back.
Sir, please, a little kindness is all I need right now. Not the The fuck is? Oh no!
Gotta go get my axe. I'm sorry.
I'll just use my fucking needles. Why do you keep
I'm losing my axe, man.
Why do you keep losing your axe?
Because of the fact that I keep throwing it. I don't have boomerang anymore.
Ah! Gee, I can't seem to dodge his melee hits, man. He's just like a big box of death. Not to mention the lightning.
Chopping the shit out of his tail right now.
Oh god, he's got a 5-prong lightning. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
I'll handle it.
Oh! And, well, there goes more. There goes more of my health.
Are there multiple? Oh my god.
Ow! Why are there so many?
I think I can deal.
I think, should I use the needle? I probably should at
I'll
this
bring
rate.
it up. Oh jeez.
I'll just use the needle. It ain't gonna happen, mate. This is holy shit.
I'll try and deal with freaking the massive amount of these things.
Yeah, please do. I think your axe there is better at chopping them down quickly.
Yeah, my axe is in front of him. Ah, he just electrocuted my axe.
I'm trying to.
Oh, jeez.
What? Those fucking things! They home in.
Yeah, they do. They're supposed to.
The fucking. This is cheating.
Okay.
I'm back at no health here, and I have no potions. What the fuck? This game has been relatively easy, minus the Shrikers, and suddenly this is, like, fighting the apocalypse. What is this?
Ah!
Oh, you're down. Or not.
Down yet. I'm not down yet.
You have no health!
Chop its friggin' tail off. Ah! Now I'm down.
Good, do you have any needles left?
Yeah, I've got all of them. I just used
I'm gonna go ham!
I'm gonna try and get rid of this thing. Hope you don't mind.
I'm gonna...
Uh,
I really wish I couldn't take damage when in my ham mode.
don't use the needle if you have any left.
I have one needle left, and my character is currently standing up like he's unaffected. Is there like a time limit to how long I can stay? It's probably this red borderline going across my screen. This weird redness.
Took out his super mode.
Am I standing up on your screen as well right now?
Yes, you are.
Oh, why are you helping the ground? You're ah!
I got you up.
We're gonna die. We're fucked.
Somehow did not get freaking hit.
We're fucked. I can't dodge his attack.
Oh my god, Zach, no.
I press space and it doesn't dodge. There's still some liquid loveliness inside this hole here, but I'm gonna leave it for you since you're actually accomplishing something.
That's a
I
get
can't-
electrocuted.
I guess you're not accomplishing shit. Oh, come on. No, not this shit.
There doesn't seem to be any for me. Oh wait, I can't do it because I'm electrified.
Yeah, I'm just gonna back the fuck out of this.
Ooh boy.
This is...
Ah,
Yeah, it's a lost cause to try and fight him when he's like this, man. It's a
We
no-go.
need to take out the 5-prong one because that's like giving him the superpowers.
I'll try and stop it. But I'm out of stamina, and I'm gonna get, like, fired at.
Ow. Oh boy, I am.
Not the lightning. Why? The range of that! Oh my god! Well, you're the only one who currently has a chance anymore, because I'm here on the ground unable to get the hell up.
I got his tail. Look at that thing off. Look at this thing.
How much health
Boy.
does he have left? When does this end?
Oh jeez, I ran out of stamina.
Hi, Bear. Do you mind stop screaming, Bear? I believe in you, Wesley.
Is he dead?
Yes, he's dead.
He's dead. Alright, I did it, Zach!
Can you get me up? Never mind.
No, I cannot. My axe is glowing, though. Look how much it's glowing.
I can't
Shit.
see.
Man, team rank E.
Well, I got an E rank as well, so I did about as good as the team did.
I got a B on my, like, sync my rank. Jeez.
That
That was like hell.
oh god.
Shit.